Hello. Good morning. Welcome to Brother English. In this lesson, we will practice simple morning English. English you can use every day. Don't worry. We will go slowly. First, you will listen. Then, you will repeat. Let's start. Now, let me ask you something. What do you say in the morning when you see someone? A friend, a coworker, a classmate. This is very common. So let's learn how to speak naturally in the morning. First, just listen. Please listen.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you. Good. Now listen one more time. Good morning. How are you? I'm good. Thank you. Now let's understand the meaning. First sentence. Good morning. We say good morning from early morning until noon. Next sentence. How are you? This is a polite question. We ask this to be friendly. Now the answer. I'm good. This means you feel okay. Thank you is polite. Very simple.
Now, it's your turn. Please repeat after me. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? How are you? I'm good. I'm good. Thank you. Thank you.
Now say everything together. Good morning. How are you? I'm good, thank you. Excellent. Let's say "don't" more time. Good morning. How are you? I'm good, thank you. Good job. Now let's learn more answers. Listen first. I'm fine. I'm okay. Not bad. These are very natural answers. Now repeat after me. I'm fine. I'm okay. Not bad. Great. Now listen to a short conversation in the morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Nice. Let's listen again. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Now, a quick question. Which one do we say in the morning? 1. Good night. 2. Good morning. Think about it. The correct answer is number 2. Good morning. Well done. Today, you learned morning English. Good morning. How are you? I'm good. I'm fine. I'm okay. Try to use this tomorrow morning. Keep listening. Keep practicing. This is Brother English. See you in the next lesson.